Mike Kilo Charlie.
Is that Whiskey 4 Mike Kilo Charlie, Roger?
Whiskey 4 Mike Kilo Charlie, Roger.
Roger, Roger.
Roger, and what's the name there, please?
Roger, and what's the name there, please?
Yeah, this is Tom, Tango Oscar Mike.
Tom was that?
Tom was that?
Roger, Tom, and whereabouts are you located, sir?
Whereabouts are you located, sir?
Tennessee, about 34 miles south of Johnson City.
Yeah, Tom, did you say you're in Tennessee? Is that a Roger?
You're in Tennessee, is that a Roger?
That's Roger, Roan Mountain, Tennessee, over.
Oh, roger that, roger that. Well, I'm copying you probably about 4 dB over the Rochester, New York SDR noise level, Roger.
SDR noise level, Roger.
Got you close that over right fine, about a 10 over.
Roger that. What radio are you running today, Tom?
Radio are you running today, Tom?
Well, I'm running a 7300 and going through a 811H amplifier. Probably putting out around 500 watts over.
Roger, roger. About 3 over the Rochester, New York noise level. Should be much hotter than that, but today is just not a great day on 40 meters, it looks like. Well, you know, the standard setup procedure for the 7300 is that compressor set at 3, compressor set at 3, and then go to your ALC and adjust your mic level to where your ALC meter is running mid-scale to 2/3. Roger?
To 2/3, Roger.
Roger, Roger. Yeah, I've always ran the compression at 2, so maybe I'm going to have to change that and go back and
Yeah, you want to run a 3 on the 7300 because it needs that little boost to make the proper output, along with the ALC meter being adjusted to mid-scale to 2/3. And that, when you adjust that ALC meter, I don't want you to set a level 1, 2, 3 like that. I want you to just speak naturally like you normally do on your microphone, and then adjust that mic gain to where your ALC is moving mid-scale to 2/3 as you just speak naturally, Roger.
Speak naturally, Roger.
And Tom, I didn't copy that last transmission. Let me see. I get my Georgia SDR up here. That might be in a better situation to copy the mail. It has sat down, so let me bring that back up. This should only take a moment, he said. Let's see. Okay, we should be back up now. And Tom, try it again. Let me see if I get a better copy on the Georgia SDR.
On the Georgia SDR.
W4MKC. You have adjusted the comp up to 3 and the mic gain down from 76 down to 20 over.
Roger. The actual, well, let's see, I just went to the Georgia, got the Georgia SDR up, and you're, like 15 over on the Georgia SDR, so we're going to be able to do some business here because I can hear you really well. So it doesn't really make any difference exactly what the mic gain numbers are. What the really important thing is that your ALC meter is moving correctly in the mid-scale to 2/3. Roger, that's the important thing, the ALC reading.
Important thing, the ALC reading.
Okay, yeah, roger, roger. Well, I think I'm going from about a quarter all the way up to 3/4, depending on how I'm talking. And I do have the high I see every now and again, but yeah, I got it way down from 76 percent to 20%, so it came down quite a bit. I might bump it up tad here. How's that sounding there?
Roger. I would get the Gorilla Tape and lock her down. Your dynamic range is exactly where it should be, about 3 dB, which means your average percent of peak modulation is between 80 and 85%. So again, exactly where you want to be. Your audio EQ curve sounds great. Wouldn't change a thing. Get the duct tape. Get the Gorilla Tape.
Get the Gorilla Tape.
Okay, James, thanks a lot for your help there. Yeah, I've been struggling with this, changing between mics, and I'm on a Heil Pro 7 right now with the IC mic, and I've only had the amp a month, so kind of filling everything out there, so appreciate the help for sure. KC9VKV, W4MKC 73, my friend.
Roger, Roger. And that was the 7300, Roger.
That was the 7300, Roger.
Yes, that's Roger, 7300.
That's what I thought. I just hadn't put it down on paper. Sometimes I doodle instead of writing down critical stuff. But anyway, it sounds great, man. Thanks for checking in. And if you get a chance, drop by next Friday and we'll compare notes. 3 is down towards Tennessee. This is Kilo Charlie 9, Victor, Kilo Victor, the Friday afternoon Qso-Vlog. And if you want to hear your audio, if you go to YouTube, of course you have to participate, and then go to YouTube, and I'll post it up on YouTube in the next couple of days. So you go to YouTube and do a call letter search for Kilo Charlie 9, Victor, Kilo Victor, which would be our Qso-Vlog page. And on that page, we're running about 1,120 some odd recorded QSOs. You'll be looking for one in specific that is entitled My Group Air Check 52220. My Group Air Check 52220. This is KC9VKV listening.